Home Remedies presents. Have you ever considered eating the pineapple peel? Pineapple is a fruit that is welcomed and eaten almost everywhere, but not many people know about the benefits of its peel. Did you ever thought of eating the pineapple peels? Today I will give you the reasons to not throw them away. In today's video, we will see some of the health benefits of pineapple peels and how you can incorporate it in your diet. The skin has bromelain, which is a powerful enzyme, anti-inflammatory in nature. It works magic in those who have arthritis or joint pain. Mixing up a potion with pineapple peels works directly on the source of the pain. It also helps in reducing swelling after surgery or injury. Some early studies have shown that skin's amounts of manganese, vitamin C, bromelain, and antioxidants have the ability to fight tumors and aid in cancer prevention. It is also believed to help with digestion. It is said the peels can fight intestinal parasites and help with constipation. If you are looking to boost immunity, you must consider the pineapple peel. Just like the fruit, the skin is rich in vitamin C, which can build the overall immunity of the body, fight bacteria, help with cough, etc. The skin can also be a teeth and bone strengthener. Since it is rich in manganese, it is great for oral health because the vitamin C can keep the gums healthy. The enzyme bromelain can prevent the clotting of blood too. And the copper content in pineapple juice increase the formation of healthy red blood cells. Beta-carotene and vitamin C present in the entire plant aid in battling degenerative eye diseases like glaucoma. Women who are looking to conceive can consider it too. As a fruit, pineapple is liked by everyone because it has beta-carotene and bromelain, which can reduce any inflammation in the womb and create an ideal environment for the growth. Let's see some ways you can prepare the skin. Make tea. Remove the skin and place it in a saucepan. You can also add cloves, ginger, and cinnamon sticks. Add some water and allow it to brew for some 15 minutes on low flame. Turn it off and let it steep for another 15 minutes. You can serve it either hot or cold. Make a juice of it. Follow the instructions for making tea but add only peels and water. No spices or sweetener. Allow the mixture to cool down and then place some in the blender. Blend it up. Pour the liquid through a strainer and refrigerate. Make sure to wash the skin thoroughly before adding it to your diet. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.